Welcome to our study of the Gospel of John.
I have fallen in love with the work of Paul as I've studied the book of 1 Corinthians, and I believe you will too.
This is where Jesus taught in Capernaum, and you have to understand this scene.
The Lord is my shepherd. And over the next 6 weeks, we're going to look deeply into the 23rd Psalm.
Right Now Media. It's for groups. It's for personal devotion. It's for parents.
The bullseye of parenting is to raise children who become like Jesus.
It's for kids.
This is Phil. We're digging into the Bible, which, as we've mentioned, is more than just a book.
It's for tough times.
So when you recognize that you're trying to have a conversation with your spouse and they're not ready to talk, it's not helpful to keep pressing them.
It's for every phase of life.
If you've made mistakes with money, you know what that makes you? Over 12.
And now, it's yours. We've purchased a Right Now Media subscription for everyone in our church. So check your inbox for the digital invitation and download the app for instant access to thousands of biblically based videos. Get equipped. Get inspired.
You will be hearing a lot more about Right Now Media in the coming weeks. It will enable us to resource all of our Bible study groups, every home, every phone, every iPad or laptop, with the study materials that will enable us all to grow in faith and faithfulness to Jesus. Look in your email inbox today for the email invitation from Right Now Media, and once you have signed in, you will then have access to over 20,000 videos for you, your family, your kids, your study group. Your membership for the year has already been paid for, and you can start enjoying it today. Now, if you didn't receive an invitation, no problem. Just let me know, and one will be sent to you. And we are not limited on the number of people who can use this service, so we want everyone to have access. And that includes our daycare families at Open Arms, our Ascension preschool families, even our guests and visitors who come on one Sunday.